This is KitchenAid food chopper. It's 3.5 cup, 0.83 liter. Let's open the box. Okay, it's one piece. This is the register and the menu. All right, this is the little machine. It's looking good. And here is the power cord. It got a little piece of tape on it. All right, actually, the power cord was organized at the bottom. It's genius design. Perfect. And after you use that, you just wrap the power cords. Awesome. Pretty clever design here. So here it got a little lever. It's puree, it's chop. So you can put into chop or puree right here. So for this one, you grab the handle and you turn. It's just like unlock the container. And this is the bottom. The whole thing is made of plastic, and the base I think got a little bit weight, so it's a bit heavy. And this is the bottom. It got a little bit rubber feet. You got 4 rubber feet, so it won't just move. Let's see if it's stable. Yeah, it's pretty stable. And this is the motor, the shaft. And this is the container. And basically this is the on-off button, so you put this one in here, but you see that the blade is very loose, so make sure that you push that in. You're gonna make sure that it's in there. So after locking this and you push the button, it will start to chop. Actually the lid is a little bit hard to remove. It's not like usually we think that open up from here. It's actually there's a locking mechanism right here. So you have to turn counterclockwise, turn, and then you can remove the whole lid. So this is a very good looking machine, and I think it's pretty heavy, especially the base. So you can just put it in your kitchen, and when you need it, just start working. It's very easy and convenient. All right, I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.